Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Growth within the Asia and Pacific area is anticipated to be sluggish in 2022 and 2023, reflecting headwinds from worldwide economic tightening, the crisis in Ukraine, and the sharp and uncharacteristic slowdown of the Chinese economy. Director of the International Monetary Fund Asia and Pacific, Krishna Srinivasan, said Asia's robust financial rebound early this year is dropping momentum with a weaker than anticipated second quarter. IMF has reduced growth forecasts for Asia and the Pacific to 4% this year and 4.3% in the subsequent year, down by 0.9% this year and 0.8 percentage points next year. Compared to the April World Economic Outlook, that's under the 5.6% average over the past decades. Despite this, Asia faces three ambitious headwinds. The first is global financial tightening. The Federal Reserve has become much more competitive in tightening its economic coverage as US inflation stays stubbornly excessive. This is translated into tighter economic situations for Asia. The second headwind is the war in Ukraine. The essential effect on Asia has been through commodity prices, which spiked following the invasion, and Asia has seen visible deterioration in their trade. This has been a critical issue since currency depreciations this year. The third headwind is the sharp and uncharacteristic slowdown in China. The IMF has marked Chinese growth down for 2022 to 3.2%, its second lowest level since 1977. It reflects the impact of the COVID lockdowns and also the crisis in the real estate sector. This slowdown is estimated to have important spillovers to the rest of Asia through trade and financial links. Against this backdrop, Srinivasan noted that the challenging conjuncture aggravates the medium-term economic scars opened by the pandemic. Much of the shortfall in growth in Asia relative to other regions can be explained by lower levels of investment following the pandemic. These output losses are particularly severe in tourism-dependent economies and those with high debt. So what are your thoughts? You can leave a comment below, and you can also like this video and you can subscribe to our channel. You can also press the bell icon for video notifications. I'm Rachel for Kalkine Media.